Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday and katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So, since it's Friday, naka-Goodyear uniform tayo today. So, yun, samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So, let's go guys. So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work and katatapos ko lang din na to guys mag-coffee break. So, while working, hindi talaga maiwasan yung chikamina charot. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales kasi on travel yung delivery team natin. So, hindi masyadong loaded yung work natin today. So, anyway guys, mag-work lang muna ako and dyan lang muna kayo. So, stay tuned guys! So, yan guys, still working. So, anyway guys, I just wanna take this an opportunity para mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga viewers ko kasi guys, malapit na and makakamit ko na yung requirements for monetization, charot. So, anyway guys, this is just, a beginning of my journey. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yung lahat ng mga new subscribers ko and then yung mga subscriber ko na nanonood ng video ko. So, I know it's just a daily routine na work bahay lang ako. So, walang masyadong ganap minsan, pero nandyan pa rin kayo para manood ng vlog ko. So, anyway guys, thank you so much talaga kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga lahat ng effort nyo. So, yeah, this is just a appreciation video for you guys sa lahat ng effort na ginawa nyo. So, anyway guys, tapusin ko lang muna yung work ko. So, session guys! So, yan guys, still working pa rin. And actually, wala naman masyadong ganap today kasi after work, uuwi lang din ako sa bahay and aayusin ko lang din yung kwarto ko. So, yan, tapusin ko lang muna guys yung work ko. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys. So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa bahay and katatapos ko lang din ito guys mag half bath. So, anyway, aayusin ko lang din naman lahat ng mga damit ko and yun, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. So, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So, bye guys!